Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Imagine you have to load configuration data for your app and your app is crashing or your connection is weak as you try it again and again. You want to retry the API connection or you want to retry the connection to the server. And here we'll see how to do it automatically. Or your internet connection is bad and app is trying, and some of the time the internet is better and app should get reconnected automatically, just like this over here. Let's go and see how to do that. As you see that our app got reconnected automatically. We can achieve this easily by using a Flutter plugin called Retry, and then you can have a controller using getX, riverpod or block. It doesn't really matter. All you need to do, you have to have your own fetch data API, and all it does is trying to set the configuration for our app. Now as you can see over here, we have this endpoint. So this endpoint reads the API connection or setup connection. Over here we are trying it 3 times, and this is the core part of the code. And after that you could retrieve your response and save it somewhere in a data model or in local storage. It doesn't matter. All you need to do, this fetch app data, you can call it anything, but you need to call it from your splash screen. So after that, you need to come to splash screen, and within splash screen, you need to have this init state method. Within it, we have another method which is called fetch data and navigate. All you need to do within this method, we need to call our fetch app data, which we have defined early over here. And with this mechanism, you would be able to retry the connection again and again based on different situations. Now, the whole code over here may look a little bit complicated, but don't worry, check the code out from the link below. Thank you very much.